so drunk.
Bye-bye. Yeah.
I can't say half the things I like. Yo, whoa! Hold on, buddy. It's taking effect.
Is this legal?
Here's the big screen. Woohoo!
He's under 18.
I want to get my
Yeah.
director. Where's my director?
Okay, so
Hold it still.
I'm trying my best. Oh, Sonny, you're a bad boy. Oh. Wow. Oh,
who's enjoying that?
man, oh, man. Woohoo. Woohoo. Oh, man.
I love you.
I love myself. Oh, you're such a gorgeous boy. Yes, you're such a gorgeous boy.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, Sonny. Woohoo. Sonny, you bad girl.
Now here's the competition. Who's more drunk, the bird or Alan?
Hey, Sonny, where do you want to go for tea?
Oh.
Hey, where do you want to go for tea? Want to get in Margaret
The
Street?
wine glass.
Want to go to the Cube? Want to go to the Cube? You want to go to the Cube? Yes.
I laugh if you just did a big poo in your laugh.
Well, then it'd just get out of the sink.
That'd be gross.
Well, then I'll just give it to Savannah.
Yeah, still.
Don't bite your own leg. That's in the way. Oh, hang on, I can't see that. I know, your legs won't do what you tell them. Oh, the wall, you do.
I think we should take him away.
Hang on, I'm the eagle on the American stamp. No, I'm not. You don't show my face. Man.
Oh my goodness.
Bottoms up, Sonny.
Bottoms up.
Hold on. There's not much grip on this glass.
Yeah.
Oh, hello, Dad. So
Love you.
You nearly fell in, you dipstick.
Oh, for goodness sake.
Oh my goodness.
Can I bath in here somehow? I might be able to bath in here somehow.
Get up in the glass, Dad.
It needs to lose some weight.
Oh no, you have to watch this once I'm done. It's hilarious.
You had enough, Sonny?
A nice handful of
No,
honey
I
they
don't
passed
think-
around the red wine.
Yep. Do you know that?
Hey, listen, you're spitting it on me now.
Darling.
Oh my goodness.
You're a funny boy. Whoa.
You're right or what? I think that's
She's
enough.
a funny
I think
little
that's
bit.
enough.
Hey, sweetie.